So I removed these sticking the rivets here, so it's flat now, flatter. It's not perfectly flat. And now I will start using sandpaper to roughen this surface here. Then I will apply the bond. This is part number 5. Here what I'm gonna use is the bundle. I have the plastic spreader or application tool. It's really flexible. Of course I have the hardener. Right, so here's after sanding. Next will be I'm gonna wipe it clean, then I will apply the bundle. This is how much resin versus against the hardener. I cannot film and mix in the same hand, so I'm gonna mix them. Right, the bundle work. I finish applying the bundle. I'll wait, they say 20 minutes, but today is a cold day. We are in the middle of December 2023. Actually, not middle, just right before Christmas 2023. So I'm gonna wait a couple hours. So I finished sanding and everything, and now ready for the sealer. This is just... So what I'm gonna use this one first, then I will spray over it, like paint over it. So first gonna use the rubberized 2-in-1 reform and sealing. Right, I finished two coats of the reform paint. This should be like rubberized coat and sealing. I'm gonna now apply the red color that matches what was there before. This is the patched area. And this should conclude the project. So I finished my work. Of course, it's not perfect and not even close, but the red color is really just to seal the rubberized coating. It's not purposely to be perfect match. I really don't care about the look. It's underneath the car, undercarriage area. What I cared about is make sure this can last, the repair can last years. That's the main thing, to protect the repair. This repair cost me about $120 compared to $4,800. I need to, that's the first coat. I'm gonna sit down, do another coat to cover this area, but I'll wait till it's completely cure, or I will read whatever the instruction, whether it's 1 hour, 2 hours. Today it's 50 Fahrenheit degrees, so it may take more than 2 hours. But this to conclude this repair that took like 4 or 5 parts. So hopefully this will help someone to repair his car. Thank you. Subscribe, share, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you.